We've been working with a global car manufacturer and we've been able to integrate our units into those vehicles. This global car manufacturer is very interested in looking at launching this product with their cars. Along with this manufacturer, we've just been through a very rigorous crash test scenario. We crashed 2 cars together. We had 4 devices installed in the 2 vehicles, so 2 in each. Recorded the video, recorded the telematics data, tested our ability to send the video when the accident happened, and fantastically everything went amazingly well. We were able to instantly retrieve the full HD footage. We got all of the telematics data around the incident. That's been instantly sent to one of our reconstruction partners, who are then able to analyse that telematics data and reconstruct the incident and come up with an estimation of the level of damage and potential injury that was involved at the scene of the accident. It's a huge step forward for us. I think a total demonstration of our commitment to what we do. We really want to show people that our equipment is fit for purpose and does exactly what it says on the tin. And I really can't think a better way of demonstrating it than this.